In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Avatar in Magnific AI Desktop. By the end, you'll confidently generate custom AI avatars with clean, consistent results. Start by opening Magnific on your desktop. From the main workspace, look to the left sidebar and open Image Generator. This is where all the avatar building tools live, and it keeps everything you need in one place so you can move quickly from setup to generation. Next, choose a model. This tells Magnific what kind of image engine to use. If your goal is a realistic portrait, pick a model tuned for photorealism. If you want something more stylized or illustrative, select a creative model. The model choice sets the overall look and can make a big difference in skin texture, lighting, and detail. Now head to References. References help the system lock onto a specific identity or style so your avatar remains consistent across outputs. Within References, click Character. This section is built for people and avatars, and it guides the system to prioritize facial structure, proportions, and recognizable features. Choose the character reference you want to work with and click it to select. Then click Add to attach that reference to your session. You'll see it appear in your active references list, confirming it's being used to guide generation. Move to the prompt field and type a clear description of what you want. Describe the subject, pose, expression, wardrobe, style, and background. Short, precise phrases work best. For example, call out lighting like soft studio light, environments like a neutral backdrop, and qualities like sharp focus or shallow depth of field. If consistency matters, avoid conflicting descriptors. Decide how many results you want. More results give you broader variety in one run, but they also take slightly longer to process. Then choose your layout. A grid is great for comparing options side by side, while a single layout keeps the focus on one large preview. When everything looks good, click Generate. Magnific will process your request and display the outputs. Review how well each image matches your reference and prompt, and you're all set to iterate or refine as needed.